The conflict process. Potential opposition of incompatibility. The first stage in the conflict process is the existence of conditions that allow conflict to arise. The existence of these conditions doesn't necessarily guarantee conflict will arise, but if conflict does arise, chances are it's because of issues regarding communication structure or personal variables. Cognition and personalization. If it's been determined that potential opposition or incompatibility exists and both parties feel that, then conflict is developing. Intentions. Intentions come between two people's perceptions and emotions and help those who are involved in the potential conflict to decide to act in a particular way. Competing and collaborating, avoiding accommodating, and compromising. Each party to the conflict seeks to give up something to resolve the conflict. Behavior is the stage where conflict becomes evident, as it includes the statements, actions, and reactions of the parties involved in the conflict. Behavior is the stage where conflict becomes evident. It includes statements, action, reactions of the parties involved in the conflict. Outcomes of a conflict can either be functional or dysfunctional. Functional outcomes occur when conflict is constructive. It may be hard to think of times when people disagree and argue, and the outcome is somehow good. Dysfunctional outcomes are generally more well known and understood. Uncontrolled opposition breeds discontent, which acts to sever ties and eventually leads to the dissolution of the group. Source of conflict. Goal incompatibility and differentiation, interdependence, uncertainty and resource scarcity, reward systems. Styles of conflict management. The avoiding style of conflict resolution is one where one has low concern for his or her ultimate goal and low concern for his or her relationship with the other. The accommodating style of conflict resolution is where one party focuses on the needs of the other and not the importance of the goal. Styles of the conflict management. The competing style of conflict resolution is defined by one party pushing ahead with his or her own mission and goals with no concern for the other party in the conflict. The collaborating style is one where there is high concern for relationships and high concern for achieving one's goal. Those with collaborating style look to put the conflict on the table, analyze it, and deal openly with all the parties. They look for the best possible solution, a win for each party in the conflict. Right in the middle of the image is the compromising style of conflict management. Here, moderate concern for others is moderate concern for the ultimate goal, and focus is placed on achieving the middle ground where all the parties can be happy.